Tencent just dropped a brand new open source model called Hy3 Preview, and I've been using it for the last few days and throwing literally everything I can think of at it. It has more than 295 billion parameters, 21 billion active, 256K context window, and the pricing is so cheap it almost feels like a typo. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly all the different prompts that I tested, how you could get set up with this today, and the exact outputs that it gave me. Okay, so by far the easiest way for you to be able to get started with this is using OpenRouter right here. As we can see, this goes through pretty much everything that you could think of. It goes through who the provider is. It goes through all of the different things that you're going to be able to do here, different performance in terms of throughput, latency, E2E latency. We have the total call error rate right here, and we could see that this is really good compared to what else we could get here. In addition to that, we have the effective pricing right here, which is incredibly affordable if you compare it to other models. On top of that, we have benchmarks down here for Hy3 Preview reasoning. We could see that it scores a 4.19 on the intelligence index, which is better than 77% of other models, 36.5 on the coding index, a 55.7 on the agentic index, and we could go through all of the different exams here in terms of reasoning, in terms of coding, in terms of knowledge, and this is pretty incredible right here. In addition to that, what I really like a lot here is this actually shows you the top apps that are actually running on this. So we could see that Hermes Agent, OpenClaw, OpenHands, Claude Code, and Kilo Code are the top ones that are being run from this. In addition, we could see the activity right here. We could see the uptime, and you'll be able to actually access the API directly from here. But what you're also able to do is if we come over here into Playground, you'll be able to see that we can actually open up a personal chat room right here and be able to take this for our own spin. But before I actually show that off, there are a few things that I do want to emphasize first. This is the first model that is completely rebuilt on training infrastructure. In addition to that, it's got 295 total parameters, 21 billion activated, and fast and slow thinking fused MOE architecture. On top of that, it has a 256K context window, so you can throw massive documents at this and things like that. In addition to that, it's available fully open source on GitHub, Hugging Face, ModelScope, and GitCode, and it's available right now through Tencent's Cloud Token Hub platform, and input pricing starts at 17 cents per 1 million tokens and output at 59 cents per 1 million tokens. Again, this is incredibly affordable. On top of that, personal token plans start at $4 a month, so if you really think for this, based on what you're getting here, you're paying like 50 to 70% versus the competitors. And that first use case I wanted to show you here is just how conversational this actually is and how much emotional intelligence it has. For example, we could come over here and use a prompt like this. I feel like my boyfriend has been talking to me more coldly lately. Maybe I'm just oversensitive. We could send this message. And then what you're going to notice here is that the first thing that this actually does is go through and validates your feelings. In addition to that, it gives us some gentle reflection questions. So unlike other models that would say this or that and give you a super direct answer, this doesn't do that. It validates what you're currently feeling. It gives you different things that you can reflect on, and then it gives you multiple options of how to actually move forward. And if you think about this, this is way more human and a way more balanced perspective than what you would get from other models. What's even cool is this actually goes through different possibilities and what it might actually mean. So this doesn't just go through and trauma dump on us or tell us that we should get out of our relationship or say one thing or the other. This really allows you to actually walk through how you're feeling, understand how you're feeling, and actually get a positive movement forward. And this is what Tencent actually calls deep co-design, and you could feel it coming through this model. Now, I do want to open up another chat and ask this another question because the storytelling on this is incredible. We could say something like, living in a digital world, can you still see the moon? Which again, is kind of a super philosophical question. And then what's pretty cool is this is actually going through, this is reasoning, this is searching. And by the way, when you're using this on OpenRouter right here, we could actually come over here and we could be able to see all the different server tools that we'll actually be able to
use right here. We could see how much memory we have. We could also upload things if we wanted to here. But what's pretty awesome about the response that this is going to give us right here is that this both gives us an answer. It tells us why the moon actually is going to cut through both a digital and urban glow right here, which is pretty cool. Goes through today's actually current moon status right here, which is pretty amazing. And it also goes through key challenges to moon viewing right here. We have different tips right here, and we have a metaphorical note. So this doesn't just give us an answer, it provides us with several different perspectives and kind of gives us like kind of a cyberpunk thing here at the end. We can also see all the different citations that this actually used right here, which is incredible. Now, the next use case I wanted to show off here, and you can kind of foreshadow how good it's going to be at this, is asking this something that is more teaching or educational focused. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, explain the event horizon of a black hole in plain English. And the answer that this is going to give me is going to be so incredible. And what's also pretty cool here is this actually goes through and performs a bunch of searches that we can actually look at right here. In addition to that, we can actually look through the thinking right here. And I want you to see how in depth this actually is and how this keeps actually changing right here. It's incredible how much reasoning actually goes through with this. And it's really going to be reflected in the answer and how well it's able to explain such a concept topic in plain English. And really what this shows off here is the difference between like a teacher giving a response to a question like this, which is the way that this responds, or just reading something out of a textbook, which is what most LLMs actually do. So we can see right here that this goes through what a quick refresher actually is in plain English. In addition to that, it actually goes through a bunch of different core ideas, giving us a bunch of different metaphors right here, explains to us why we can't escape, key misconceptions that we need to clear up. And then the other thing that's really cool too is this actually goes through and lists out all these different things like cool facts about event horizons, what happens if you actually cross the event horizon, and how big an event horizon actually is. And all of this is great because it doesn't just give us some textbook answer, it responds like a human, like a teacher would, and we actually walk away not only with a plain English understanding, but metaphors and other things that we might be interested in learning. And to double down on how good this is at education and teaching, I wanted to come over here and start a new question right here and say something like, both mandarins and oranges are called orange in English. How do I explain the difference to a 3-year-old? And again, this is going to go through and this is going to give us a perfect explanation that you would have to be some incredible teacher in order to strum up. We can see here that this now goes through and this gives us super simple sentences in order to say to a 3-year-old to be able to actually explain this in a way that they're going to understand. For example, like just how their teddy bear and a bunny are both stuffed animals, but they're different. Now, the next use case I wanted to show off here is how advanced this actually is at coding right here. We could see right here that we could actually click on create artifact right here if we wanted to build something. So we wanted to build a morphing animation in one HTML file, 500 particles, a dark background, fly in from off the screen, assembled into the letter I, then morph through a heart, then into letters HY, and we wanted to loop forever with all these different curves, staggered arrival, ease outing, trail effects, glow pulses on assembly, and all of this. We simply just send this message and this is going to go through and this is going to code this out, which is absolutely incredible. And it's really cool is just how diverse this model is and how affordable it is. So not only is this going through and reasoning exactly how this is going to do this, it's also literally researching it so that it isn't just starting from scratch. It's actually starting with things that have already been built before on GitHub and different tools so that it understands how to do it, reverse engineers it, and then actually responds. And just like that, this is literally going through, this is coding this up, and this is incredible how quickly this did this. And when you see how accurate this is, you're going to be mind blown. And then now we have this single HTML file that actually contains all of this. This is awesome. Okay, so now that this is actually created, look at this. This is insane. I cannot believe that this has gone through and done this. And again, if you take into consideration how affordable this model actually is and all the different capabilities that it has, and I still have one other use case to show you. But what's truly insane about this is it was one-shotted no iterations, pure HTML file, CSS, vanilla JS in a single file. In addition to that, it worked at first try at 60 frames per second with all the physics, the inertia disposal, the glow, the pulses on assembly. This is where Tencent Hy3 made the biggest gains, and you can actually see why. And on their own CodeBuddy product, Hy3 cut first token usage latency by 54% and pushed success rate to 99.99% plus, and you could see why, because it's powered by this. Now, the last use case I want to show you here is I'm going to upload 3 Tencent annual reports for 2023, 2024, 2025, and then I'm going to ask it to extract 5 financial indicators across all 3 years, build comparison tables, visualize trends, and output it all as a single HTML financing brief. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put in these different reports right here. And now this is going to go through and this is going to analyze this. And what I wanted to show you right here is actually how big these reports actually are. If we come over to the 2025 report, we could see that this has 282 pages. So this is about 750 pages of documents that this is about to go through. And essentially what this is really going to show off here is how that massive context window comes into play and is incredibly valuable. And once again, this actually went through, this created this HTML file, which I'm about to show you. And if we scroll all the way down here, we can actually see all the different key features here. We have complete data extraction, comparison tables, interactive visuals, professional styling, transparency, and key takeaways. And what this did was actually pulled all the different numbers and everything from these different documents with zero hallucinations. The math right here actually adds up against everything. We could see that when we actually load this up right here, this actually looks professional. It looks like a professionally designed document, not just some output from an LLM. And this is absolutely incredible. If you don't test anything else about this, I would strongly suggest you test just how good it is at ingesting things and outputting analysis and different things like this.
So what are you waiting for? Tencent isn't who I thought was going to ship the next exciting open source model, but Hy3 Preview is the real deal. And remember, this is the preview. The official Hy3 model is still coming soon, and I went ahead and put all 4 different experience links at the pinned comment below for GitHub, Hugging Face, Model Scope, and Git code so that you could go play with it this week. And if you build something cool with it, don't forget to tag them on X when you share a video of it.